Agalenabo, Ijitaka, Ikenga Kamano. Ikenga Kamano is the willpower of the Igbo god of thunder. The zoomorphic form of Ikenga is the ram, because the way that the ram fights explains the meaning of Ikenga. Both Ikenga and the Igbo god of thunder, Amadioha, are associated with the ram. They represent the Igbo Jupiterian Martian energy force. The Kush Kemet African ram-headed deity known as Kumnu was possibly a personification of Kamano. Ikenga Galenabo. In Afa, Ikenga is held as a Galenabo. It is because Ikenga represents the Igbo Martian spirit of time. Ikenga is the primordial cosmic energy that is thought to move through the universe. Everything moving in nature is being moved by its own Ikenga. Ikenga is also held as Owata, that is one that makes a way where there is no way. Ikenga is also held as Nwangbu, which is the name of the Igbo god from planet Jupiter. It is said that men are from Bengbu, Jupiter, and that when a man is being chased, he runs to the tree known as Osisingbu, because the origin of masculine energy force is Ngbu. Respectively, in the Great Benin Kingdom, Ikenga was called Ikegobo. In Congo, he was called Dikenga. In Yoruba, he is called Ogun, and in Igala, he is called Okega. Ikenga Omenito. Ikenga is one of the most powerful symbols of Igbo people. Ikenga is a kingmaker, as the chi of time, success, and achievements. His willpower makes one a king in his own domain. The sacred number of Ikenga is 3, and there are 3 major principles of Ikenga. These 3 major principles are Ikenga Nwonye, Ikenga Odumije, and Ikenga Ogaranya. Ikenga Nwonye teaches about discovering who you are and what your dexterities are. Ikenga Odumije is the Ikenga of someone that has figured out what his purpose in life is and working persistently to achieve his goals. The third Ikenga is the Ogaranya, and this is the Ikenga of a successful person. This Ikenga teaches the responsibilities of a successful person. Ikenga Ebunejishia Jogo. In Igbo astrology, Ikenga is Aries, the ram, governed by planet Mars. Ikenga is one of the greatest warriors spirits in Igbo spirituality. Ikenga is a personification of human endeavor, achievements, success, and victory. Ikenga is grounded in the belief that the power for a man to accomplish things is in his right hand, right brain. The ram symbol is about boldness, new energy, new beginning, new paths, and power. Ikenga represents ancient warriors and their defiant attitude. The ram prepared his entire life, so he knows what he is capable of. He will never refrain from leaping into a new opportunity and will go beyond without fear. Another name for Ikenga is Ikane, the energy of the earth. Aka ete ogbe, obi aka ete iyi, the realm of the queen of the ocean sea. There are various water spirits in Igbo spirituality. Water spirits exist to remind us about our origins. All lives originated from the water, and this is why we are made up of 70% water. The greatest mysteries about Earth can be found deep down the ocean, and we have more water here on Earth than we have dry land. The secret name of Earth is Oshimiri. Iyeke, Iyorie, Iyafo, Iyinkwo. Igbo mysteries said that when the first beings came to Earth from Sirius B, Benneyi, they first inhabited the ocean because there were no dry lands yet. These beings were androgynous and deathless. They existed in the very beginning of Ogaka, which is the first age of the world. And they were the ones that birthed Ndembo, which are the first humans on Earth. Orashi is a very ancient Igbo earth and water spirit of Ndembo, the first humans. In Igbo astrology, planet Uranus is the home of Orashi. Thus, the astral sign of Orashi is Aquarius. Orashi is one of the first sons of the Igbo earth goddess Allah. Just like Uranus is the first son of the earth goddess Gaia. The Greeks must have gotten the mysteries of Uranus from the ancient Igbo Sea Emperor. Oshimiri. Oshimiri is the primordial ocean of creation. Komosu, in her infinite journey of transformation, became the ocean before she became the dry lands, which is Ajana, which is her living body, Ajana. Oshimiri is eze nwaanyị nwe mmiri and isi mmiri. The most mysterious creatures of the earth are deep down the ocean. You can consult water spirits by pouring libation or pouring sugary drinks in lakes, rivers, sea, or ocean. Water spirits love sugary things. Ezeiyi. Ezeiyi is the Igbo lord of watery intelligence, craft, celestial water, sea water, lake water, fertility, semen, and magic. In Igbo astrology, he governs planet Neptune. Sumerian Enki, who is also known as E, is his embodiment. The second name of Enki, which is E, looks like it comes from the Igbo name for river water, E. Ioma. Ioma is the sacred water of Oma, the mother of morality. E is very sacred to Igbo women. In ancient Igbo, daughters and children were often the ones fetching water from the streams. Igbo says that Eke chuteli iyi okike, while Chi batalanku okike, meaning that Eke, the divine feminine creator, was responsible for providing the waters of creation, while Chi, the divine masculine life force, provided the woods of creation. Igbo people are Neolithic people, thus food is cooked with firewood. Without firewood and water, food cannot be prepared. Obuide and Orashi. Obuide and Orashi are two major water spirits in one river. Orashi is brown in color, while Obuide is green in color. The oral story of the two water spirits says that thousands of years ago, the both rivers named Orash and Obuide were a human couple. Orash was a man and Obuide was a woman. They were married and they were so in love, but one day they had a very big fight and they became very angry with each other. The both of them separated and they reincarnated into the two rivers, and up till now they are still very angry at each other. That is why they can never mix.